Introducing Bajaj DX6 1000-watt dry iron with advanced sole plate and antibacterial German coating technology. This lightweight white iron comes with 1000 watts of power. It has a non-stick sole plate with antibacterial German coating technology. It has 360 degrees swivel cord. It comes in a size of 27 by 11 by 13 centimeters and weighs 798 grams. The box contains the dry iron and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product